Okay, it's the Elite Pro sound card. This was pulled from my HT PC build. It's an MATX board, Gigabyte DS3R, 2R. This is my graphics card, Sapphire Radeon HD 3870. It's good money. It's good money for what I needed to. Power supply, 650 watt NeoPower, Antec. Intel Core 2 Duo processor. This is the E8500. 6 megabytes of cache, 45 nanometer. Running at 3.16 gigahertz. Zerotherm CPU cooler. BTF90. 4 gigabytes, 800 megahertz. OCZ RAM. 600 40 gigabyte Western Digital hard drive. It's pulled from the build too. This is Samsung 18 times DVDRW optical drive. Microsoft Vista Home Premium 32-bit, and I got 64-bit in here too. I probably ain't gonna use it, but whatever. Case is a MATX case. The Mini P180 by Antec. So that's about it. Next video you'll see the complete build and run a couple tests.